Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi, le 1er novembre. Le mot de passe, j'ai peur. La question de la semaine, question of the week, qu'est-ce que tu as regardé ce weekend? There was that Jamboard that is linked here, but also you can see it earlier in this week's slides, lundi. Put your answer next to your name. And then go ahead and include your answer in your flip video today. So when you go to your flip video, that will be part of it. Aujourd'hui dans l'histoire, aujourd'hui c'est le 1er novembre, which is a holiday in France called La Toussaint, or All Saints' Day. It is not celebrated as festively as Dia de los Muertos in Mexico and other Latin American cultures. This is a much more somber occasion, and you can read/watch a video about it on this next slide. There are also some discussion questions that you need to answer for that. Aujourd'hui, dans l'histoire, is that? Okay, désolé, got a little distracted there. Chanson de la semaine, it's still C'est l'Halloween, c'est l'Halloween. So if you want to listen to that, you are welcome to. Et les gestes, a couple of those are included in your flip video, so make sure that you watch that video earlier in the slideshow and that you're familiar with those and can do the actions along with saying them for your flip video. Voilà, aujourd'hui en histoire. This video actually does a much better explanation of it than I probably will here, but let's look through this together. Aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi, le 1er novembre. C'est la Toussaint. La Toussaint en anglais, All Saints' Day. C'est une fête, a holiday, pour honorer les morts. Les morts, people who have died. Les familles visitent les cimetières avec des fleurs. Il y a des fleurs spécifiques pour la Toussaint qui s'appellent des chrysanthèmes. En anglais, chrysanthemums, or just mums. You see a lot of these types of flowers just on people's doorsteps. I had some earlier before they died, earlier this month, earlier in October rather. But they're just really pretty flowers that we in the US just associate with fall. In France, you only see these at cemeteries. They are very specifically flowers of the dead, or flowers for honoring those who have passed on to decorate grave sites. So bringing them to somebody as a gift or putting them on your front stoop like we do here in the US is not really considered to be a good idea. So it's a slightly different cultural understanding of these particular flowers, the chrysanthème. Il y a une messe à l'église pour les catholiques aussi. Une messe à l'église, a mass or a service at church pour les catholiques. Et voici une vidéo. La vidéo est en anglais. She gives you some French expressions, but it gives a really good overview in just a few minutes of the holiday La Toussaint, or All Saints' Day. Donc, pour la discussion, comment dit-on cimetière en anglais? Et où est-ce que les personnes catholiques vont le 1er novembre? Où? Remember, we see it whenever we see this slide. Où, c'est where. Où. Okay. A flip video pour aujourd'hui. Here's your link. It's also in Schoology, and then these are the different elements that you're going to incorporate. Et c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That is it. I also posted the discussion in the flip video yesterday, so if you got to those already, then you're just ahead of the game. Merci. Au revoir tout le monde.